Hello and welcome to another L N Autocare video. In today's video I'm going to be testing out the snow former kit from Halfords Advanced. In this video I'm going to be unboxing it, reviewing it and seeing whether or not you should buy it.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
First up is the box. The product is very well presented. Inside the box we have the tube with a small plastic filter attached on the end. Then we have the lance. It is a very sturdy and hefty piece of equipment made from the usual brass fittings, and it has the usual adjustment fittings for dilution and coverage.
But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Next up is the Karcher quick release attachment. This is also very sturdy. Also included is the Halfords pressure washer range attachment. It also comes with a 25-degree nozzle, which is a nice touch. And finally, we have the 1 litre bottle. As you can see, it is extremely wide at the bottom and it comes with markings on the side for measurements. Now, let's put this together and go and try it out. For this test, I am using Halfords High Performance Snow Foam. I am following the guide on the bottle and using 100 ml of product to 500 ml of water. This is the first negative for me. The opening to pour the product in is very difficult, and it took a while, but with the power of editing, we can speed this up. Wow, the snow foam is being applied extremely thick and it is quite impressive. You'd swear I've applied shaving foam on the car, but no, it's the Halfords snow foam. Very impressive from both the lance and the snow foam. You've just gotta love thick snow foam when it's dripping off the car. It's so satisfying. Overall, very impressed with the snow foam lance. In combination with a high performance snow foam, it makes it very satisfying to apply snow foam to your car. And at currently $34.99, it is a good snow foam lance and at a good price. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.